Nupur, first of all, I would like to thank you for being a part of Benepic's year-end mixer. It's a privilege, delight, everything to have you here. So, as the theme of the event is, it's an year-end mixer. We are at the verge of 2025 ending. What is that one thing that you think it will stay with you and you're going to carry till 2026?
Thanks a lot for inviting us and being the gifting partner for this event. We are also very excited. And as you asked, that 2025 is ending, and what I'm carrying along with me, I think this year is something very important to me personally as well. As with Pansari Group, I joined recently, and then it's more of a year of a discovery where we have launched a new brand,
Okay.
and that's by the name Sama.
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 Okay, great.
Sama means togetherness, and we are trying to build that togetherness in each one's family. Like, we all are so crunched with time these days. We don't have time for 5 minutes for our own family, our own
So true.
spouses, right?
So true, so true.
So these kind of gifts, where it will be going for the corporate gifting or your personal gifting, it will all bring that warmth back. It has all story spin into it. So all the gifts are story led. It will have a very thoughtful design.
Okay.
It will be something purposeful. So that's why we say Sama has 3 pillars. We have named them as mood, memory, and meaning.
Mood, memory, and meaning.
Yeah. So every gift will be
So, Sama is a gift
yes.
for your family.
For your family, for your friends, for your employees,
Okay.
for your customers.
Okay.
So it's like one umbrella for everything.
And what comes under the 3 verticals that you talked about in Sama?
So the pillars, we are saying mood,
okay.
memory, meaning. We're saying that every gift is carrying a mood for you, which
Okay.
will be elevating your mood.
Okay.
It will be lingering in your memory for a longer time. It will not be just open the gift, unwrap, and then throw away.
Okay.
So it will be lingering in your memory. It will be creating those memories, and it will carry some purpose, some meaning along with it. Where it could be educational, it could be bringing you healthy lifestyle, or yoga exercises. It will have something along with it.
Okay, so I think because as you said that you are a gifting partner for Benepic also in today's event. Today's event is also about celebrating the togetherness. Every day
Yes.
as a client and as partners, we always talk about maybe invoices, escalations, orders, all that. But when we talk about togetherness, there is that gap. And I
Yes.
think it's there to celebrate. And what better than having Sama as a part of it? It's great to have it. So, 2025 was a discovery for you for Sama, right? 2026, what does it hold for maybe for the Pansari Group, for Sama, or for you?
Yeah, so when we say Sama was discovered in this year, now the next year will be when others will be discovering it. We have discovered it, now it has to go to everyone, and let them enjoy, let them see which new horizon we are trying to catch up.
Right.